Good evening nga pala. Ito nga pala si Morley, trying hard freelance Laravel Web Developer. Yung gagawin natin ngayon is we will create a very basic package for Laravel. Basic lang po siya. As long as mapapakita ko yung paano siya ginawa at paano siya mag-function. At para na rin po sa mga katulad ko na newbie pa lamang na gustong matuto, ito po yung guide for us. So, hindi po ako nagmamarunong dito. Disclaimer lang po. Hindi po ako nagmamarunong or nagmamayabang. Gusto ko lang i-share yung mga konting kaalaman ko. So, in creating a package, we need to have a fresh install Laravel. Ito. Tapos, code. Yung code space that is, ito yung command para tawagin si Visual Code at directly open yung project natin na si Laravel. So, let's wait for a while kasi medyo mahihina po tong specs ng computer ko. i3 second gen. Tapos 4 gig lang yung RAM. Ayan. So, in creating a package, we need to create first. The first step is to have a fresh install Laravel po. The next is dito sa project folder natin, we need to create another folder which is the name is packages or package or depende sa inyo. Depende po. Pero I prefer yung packages kasi ito yung mostly na nakikita ko. At ito din yung tamang naming convention. So for this, inside the package is pangalan ng package natin. Yung gagawin natin package ay na package for the Laravel is a very basic contact form. So contact. So after this po, click contact, open terminal. Take note po na sa loob po tayo ng project folder natin na contact, tapos gumawa tayo along the way na folder na packages. Then inside that subfolder natin is contact. Then inside contact, I open the command, tapos let's type composer init or initialize. So after po that, dito po natin i-fill or ilalagay kung ano yung anong tawag to, description or ano yung mga information with our package. So first will be the package name, Morley /contact. Kasi yung vendor po dito is according to the statements here is yung vendor is Morley, yung package name is contact. Description is send mail and save to our database. Then author, escape lang po. Stability will be development. Package type is library. License, syempre MIT. Would you like to define your dependencies? No. Would you like to define your dev dependency? No. Do you confirm generation? No. Yes. Ayun, meron na po tayong composer.json. Ayan, okay na po siya. Nasa introduction pa po tayo. So, inside our contact, merong isa pang file na composer.json. Then, inside our contact, kasama ni composer, gagawa tayo ng folder which is the name is src, acronym for source. So, for this, inside here, gagawa ako ng folder ay ng file which is contact service provider.php. So let's initiate our PHP here. Tapos class, syempre yung name ng class natin is contact service provider. Extends, ano yung ini-extend niya? Syempre si service provider. Ito ba yun? Mali, sorry. Service. Ito po. So, ayun. So, inside our class, meron po tayong dalawang method or function. The first will be boot. Yung pagbo-boot niya or yung initialization niya. And then, the second will be register. Ayan. So, ayun. The next is we need to create our routes. We need to register our routes, or to boot our, or to load our routes before our package boot. So this load routes from our directory, and then inside our folder routes, and then pointing to our PHP file web.php. So since meron siya yung web.php natin ay nasa loob ng folder na routes, so inside our source folder gagawa tayo ng folder na routes. Then inside the routes, which is web.php, so php tag here, and then let's proceed here to test our routes. Route get contact, let's derive this one. So I want to return contact form phrase. Ayan. So if we visit, cd contact, if we visit our server, then visit our URL contact, sa tingin nyo anong mangyayari? Of course, wala. Kasi first of all, we need to register. So, paano po siya i-register, Kuya Morley? Dito po, sa composer natin, hindi pa natin na-register yung location ng source natin. So, pupunta muna ako dito sa composer JSON. Kukopyahin muna natin to si autoload. Ayan, hihiramin muna natin siya. So, here, we can paste it here. And then, kunin muna natin si class map. And then, dito na natin tatawagin si Morley, yung vendor, contact, yung name of our package, and then src. So, sasabihin niyo, bakit src? Kasi ganito po yan, based on my own understanding. Kung titingnan nyo, si composer at ERC nasang iisang folder lang, or magkatabi lang sila. So, pag tinawag natin si Morley contact, automatically, tinuturo niya yung inside the source. Ayun. Yun po yung base sa pagkaiintindi ko. So, the next for that, hindi pa tayo tapos, nasa package pa lang yan, pupunta tayo sa composer JSON. So, here in our autoload PSR, lalagay natin si Morley excuse me, contact, makati yung So, here will be our specific location from our main Laravel. So, for our main Laravel, we have packages, we have contact, then the next we have // to source. Ayun, diba? So we have registered our Morley contact, packages, contact at source. So after that, we need to do composer dump autoload. Kasi why we need to do this? Base naman po sa pagkakaintinding ko, if we are going to alter something in our composer JSON, we need to do composer dump. Or kahit sa configuration yata, as long as it triggers some class, then pagka-boot ng class, kailangan ma-register siya, ganun. So we need to composer dump. So PHP artisan tayo, serve, and then let's just sasabihin mo, Kuya Morley, bakit wala pa rin? Diba? Kasi, even though na-register na natin siya from both composer.json from our package at saka sa Laravel main, hindi pa natin na-register yung routes inside config app. So, ang mangyayari, ito, meron tayong packages provider. Dito na lang po sa baba, we need to visit config app, tapos inside that, scroll down lang, meron tayong package service provider sa baba. We need to type our location, which is yung Morley contact na yung automatic location natin when we access the packages source. And then after that, Morley contact Morley contact service provider class. Ayun, let's save. Well, since nakaran na yan, let's refresh. Ayun, whoops. Morley contact service provider not found. So, bakit nangyayari to? So, let's check again. Kunin muna natin siya dito. Let's troubleshoot kung bakit hindi siya ayun, na define ng system natin. So, composer JSON artisan pala yan. Composer JSON, meron tayong Morley contact packages contact src. Ayan. The next is inside our here composer Morley contact src. So the next, well, let's visit again our web routes. src. So our contact provider then service provider routes web PHP boot. So okay naman po lahat, wala namang problema. So register natin ulit Morley contact service provider class. Apps PHP artisan. Let's do composer dump auto load. Let's wait for a while. Ganun talaga minsan, may mga errors. Hindi naman talaga maiiwasan yan. So, Morley, contact, packages, contact, src. Teka lang. Check natin to. Kung bakit naging ganito. Cut muna natin si class. Ayun. Page not found. Punta tayo dito. Morley /contact /contact service provider class packages additionally discover Morley load kaya pala sensya na kasi we don't put our namespace here. Namespace Morley contact. So after that, when we refresh, wala, meron na tayo. So pasensya na, minsan ganyan talaga. So at least in our part 1 or our video, nakita nyo na po kung, kasi di ba kanina walang lumabas doon. Let's save, then let's type again Morley. Tingnan nyo, meron ng contact service provider, tapos direct class ka na lang. It's a matter of namespace lang po yon. So in part 2, we will link our package into our views. Magawa tayo ng view dito, view folder, and then next we'll create controller until sa matapos yung project, like models, migration, ganun po. At salamat po, salamat.